Hey everybody, thank you for purchasing the Raikiri Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the settings on the OLED panel, along with how to use the controller's convenient tri-mode wireless RF 2.4, Bluetooth, and wired USB-C connectivity. First up, let's take a look at how to navigate the menus on the OLED panel. Hold the Xbox button down for 1 second to power up the controller. To open the OLED menu, hold the R button down for 1 second. Once open, you can scroll down through the menu options by pressing the R button. You can go back to the previous page by pressing the L button. To activate settings and move to the next page, hold down the R button for 1 second. And once you're done, hold the L button for 1 second to close the OLED menu. To use the wired USB-C connection, all you need to do is connect the Raikiri Pro to your PC or Xbox console via the bundled USB-C cable. For the wireless RF 2.4 GHz connection, insert the dongle into the USB port on your PC. Activate the OLED panel, double-click the R button to enter the connection menu and navigate to RF 2.4 GHz. The LED indicator will flash and then glow white once a connection is established. And finally, for the wireless Bluetooth connection, double-click the R button to enter the connection menu and navigate to Bluetooth. The LED indicator will then slowly flash white. Hold the pair button for 3 seconds until the indicator starts flashing rapidly. On your PC, locate the Bluetooth icon on the taskbar. Add a device and select ROG Raikiri Pro from the list. Then click Finish. The LED indicator will flash and then glow white once connected. For X input compatibility on PC, download and install the driver from the official website. Ensure you have extracted the folder before clicking on the installation file. I hope this video helps you make the most out of the OLED panel and tri-mode connectivity options. If you have any further questions, please visit the official ROG website for more info or consult your nearest ROG outlet. Until next time, thanks for watching.